Have you ever felt like Joseph, betrayed and thrown in a pit, metaphorically? Perhaps it was a loved one diagnosed with a terminal illness, or tragically dying, or your job terminated, or your marriage turning rocky, or your teenager going astray, or being childless, or terribly lonely. From being the favorite son with the glamorous multicolored coat to being thrown into a pit and sold into slavery, to becoming Potiphar's manager, to falling foul of Potiphar's wife and ending up in prison. Joseph's life was as rough as yours and mine has ever been. What I take from Joseph is his ability to see God's higher purpose. He never lost sight of God's presence in his life. He did not let bitterness consume him, but readily forgave his brothers. He saw life's pitfalls as part of God's plan for him. He remained patient and trusted in God's promise. In short, Joseph chose forgiveness and trust over revenge and despair. Jesus, the supreme example of forgiveness, also calls on us to trust in God's plan. Shake off the dust from your feet. In other words, you have done your part. Now let God handle it and trust that the outcome will be good.